everyone, welcome to Fun Food Filling. So today I'm going to make a nutritious lunch salad with Indian flavor. Let's move on to the recipe directly. I'm going to start with grilling the chicken. For that, I have taken a full chicken breast, and for marinating it, add some salt, pepper powder, half lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Give it a nice massage and let it marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to grill the chicken in a pan. On a medium flame, grill this chicken for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Chicken is nice and tender. Now let's remove and transfer to a plate. Let it cool completely. For the dressing, take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, quarter teaspoon of crushed pepper, salt to taste, 4 garlic cloves finely chopped. For giving Indian flavor, I am adding some coriander leaves, some chilli flakes, just about a quarter teaspoon, not more than that. Quarter teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of honey. This will give a nice sweet flavor to your salad. And finally 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Now give this dressing a nice whisk so that the flavor can really combine together. Now we will just move on to mixing up the salad. Add half a cup of cabbage. Add half a cup of broccoli. Some capsicum. Half a cup of cucumber. Carrot chopped, half a cup of tomato. In this you can add any of your favorite vegetables. It's time to add our lovely dressing. Just toss the salad through. At last, we will put all this in one bowl. Since it is a lunch salad, I am adding half a cup of cooked brown rice and add our colorful salad. Next, cut the chicken into small pieces. If you cut the hot chicken, all its juice will come out and the chicken will not be that much good. So allow it to cool completely. And this goes on top of the salad. It is ready to serve now, but having it with a tea is a perfect choice. For that, I am going to use a special whole leaf oolong tea. You may ask, what is oolong tea? Oolong teas are semi-oxidized tea leaves which gives good result in reducing body fat. It has got natural fat reducing agents. For making this tea, add water in a pan. Bring it to boil. And when boiling, switch off the flame and transfer to a serving cup. Now add 1 teaspoon of tea leaves in a cup of water. Give a nice mix. You can enjoy it without any whitener or sweetener. It is the best option for your diet plan. To buy this tea and enjoy its taste, just click on the link given in the description. There is a special offer for all our viewers and subscribers. So just enter the code given in the description to avail 10% discount on every order. This is a complete meal by itself. Have a bite of it and feel how Indian flavors are. So do try this at home and let me know.